What's good to YouTube? Your boy DreadedSenpai here. We got a fan animation reaction for our boy Red Hair Guy. I already gave him a like because you're reacting to his video, so I appreciate that. And I know it's gonna be great quality. It's gonna be fire as hell anyway. His last video was fire. Alright, this is the first time I reacted to this one though. Alright, Serious Sneeze. One Punch Man, aka SHOUTOUT, versus Garou. Alright, let's get into it. No, but he's already started off fire. It's already started off. Hold up. Yo, it's already going fire, man. It's already. Oh, whoa, stop loud. Hey, about. All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes. That's okay. All right. Yeah, is that them fighting in there, bro? Nah, yo. Hey, the animation's already going insane. Already going insane for a fan animation right now. You know it's going insane. And Garou getting that fucked up right now. But there's so much stuff going on right now. Then we got the lightning going through. And look at his face, it's squished. But you don't awaken SAITAMA, bro. He is upset. Look at him. He is furious, yo. We ain't never seen him this angry before. This fan animation is perfect right now. Now, this is all from the manga, so anyone trying to say, yo, I haven't seen this in the show. This is all from the manga. It will happen sooner or later. So, big spoilers. Damn, bro. They are going straight into the galaxy, bro. Alright, they in outer space. Whooping. They are going toe to toe right now. Yeah, hey, yo, this animation? Yo, this is fire. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, you see all the time I'm talking about? You be out there running with the lightning? Hold on. That's, look at that motherfucker. That flash ain't got nothing on me, bro. SAITAMA said you ain't hit it strong enough. SAITAMA said you ain't hit it strong enough, bro. SAITAMA just responds to the limit. He moves fast as hell too. Hold up. Hey. You see that? And they said that in the manga, alright? Because that he was fighting someone that was his level, SAITAMA started to increase his power. And everyone was saying that in SAITAMA versus Goku, there's no way he can beat Goku because they already said SAITAMA's at his peak. Well, apparently, if someone is the same strength as him, he grows stronger, alright? I ain't gonna say nothing, but that sounds like he might be able to handle Goku. We're gonna throw that out there. Yeah, Garou got left behind. My boy got left behind completely. My boy's so butt naked. Bro, you're in outer space, bro. What you mean? Woo! My boy got a sneeze? Get him a tissue. Yo! Somebody sneeze? My boy just blew up Jupiter. Or that's Saturn. That's Jupiter. Hey. Hold on. Is that the end? I'm already subscribed. All right, I'm already subscribed. All right, give it to him. That video was nice. That video was nice. It was fire right there. The animation, the speed, the way that he got Garou running fast as hell like he's the Flash, the way Thomas pushing him in the stomach, over here taking this in, they growing side by side. Yo, that's that. It's straight from the manga, all right? And that he did a great job for him and his little group of people. I'm pretty sure it was a lot of people besides him that did it, but yo, hey, that was nice. I can't wait to see his next fan animation video. Make sure y'all subscribe to his name. If y'all know who he is, once again, it is Red Hair Guy. The video already got a like from me. Please make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have a little more time, make sure you like and comment and subscribe for me too. And that's all I gotta say. Peace.